Yesterday I was using my jacuzzi and I pushed my spot button on my Easy Touch, and I noticed the temperature is reading 239 over 99. Now jacuzzi is set for 99, but it's showing the pool water or the jacuzzi water is 239. Of course, at 239, the jacuzzi will never come on, or the heater will never come on, I should say. Anyways, I did change out the thermistor. I didn't know what the problem was, but I did change out the thermistor, and when I replaced the thermistor, it's still same reading, 239 over 99. So I thought, well, I'll look at the air, water, solar temperature sensor, because maybe if that's a crack in it. And I didn't think to look at it first because I changed this out a couple years ago, and of course when I opened it up yesterday, it had a big crack in it. So I'm thinking this is the issue. So I did order a new sensor. It came in today, and so I'm going to go and install this new sensor, and hopefully the temperature will be showing whatever the water temperature is and not 239. Okay?
Started the video.
Alright, so I've fished my new sensor wires through, and I connected to my control panel here. If you look closely, it says air, solar, and water, and this is the sensor I replaced, the water. And I don't think it really matters whether red or white goes into which port, but I did put the same way the original was, so I put the red on the left side, but I don't think it really matters. So that's that. And then I'm going to go and install my new sensor here into the port. And so this is my new sensor with no crack. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think you don't make this too tight. You want it to be nice and snug, but not too tight where you're going to crack the plastic. There we go. So again, tight to where it's nice and snug and the water's not leaking, but not too tight to where it's going to crack this new sensor up here. Okay, that seems nice and snug. Alright, let's check it out. So, okay, moment of truth. So hopefully it won't show 239, it'll show the accurate temperature of the water. It has to communicate with my... I want to communicate. Still says no comm. Hold on a second now. Oh, no wonder I have to turn the power back on. Okay, there we go. This is auto now, so let's see. Okay, I'm going to turn the spa on. Oh, nice. Already shows 83, water being 83 and not 239. So the heater should come on. Yep, the blower is on. The heater blower is on. Yeah. Heater blower's on. Nice. Project, and it cost me basically what, 20 bucks for a new sensor. And I did, of course, spend another 20 bucks on my thermistor. I tried that first and it didn't work. So that was basically 40 bucks plus my time. New thermistor, new sensor, 40 bucks plus my time. All right, that's it, folks. Have a good day.